Business TV, a place where we will actually teach you how to make money online using telecommunication business and of course trading, cryptocurrency and digital marketing business in the world. And we also do general ICT review of trending app development and all that. So do me a favor, like, share this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on our updates. Okay, in the last 2 or 3 days ago, we make a video review of the relaunch of InstantVTU Nigeria. On that video, we walk you step by step on what are new on the app, and of course we tell you that we are going to be giving you a breakdown on how to go about starting from registering as a free user to even be upgrading to a paid member, and also other business opportunity that is included in this platform. So we are taking the first step on the whole process, which is walking step by step on how to register a free account on InstantVTU Nigeria, and of course do one or two things on a free account. So we are going to kick out this the tutorial properly by, first of all, we log into instantVTU.com.ng. okay, there is be a link in the description of this video. Click the link and then you'll be directed to this platform. So in this place, this is just the, at the moment of recording this video, this is just the welcome page on InstantVTU at the moment. Okay, so but when you're viewing the app, the platform, it may be different in terms of like, okay, the look and all that, but then this is how it looks at the main time of recording this video. So when you are here on this page, there is just few things you can do. You can just click on login register. Okay, so you can click login register. You can see the button is always noticeable on the platform. So anyone you want to click, you can click on that. Just click on login register at the top. At the please, the video, the first video is going to be on the description of this video, so watch it to follow up the conversation so that you not miss the whole thing properly. So once you click on that login register, you'll be taken to this place. Then if you have an existing account on the platform, you just simply put your username and password and then you'll be logged in. But since we don't have an account, we click on register. So when we click on register here, all we have to do is to fill up our details here. The first detail here is username. So I'm going to put legit cash. Okay, so in the first name I'll put biz. So we have legit cash biz TV. Okay, I think the first name here I'm gonna put legit cash. Okay, so here I'm gonna put business, legit cash business. But in your own case, please, very important, make sure you fill your correct name because of payments. If you don't fill your correct name, you may not be able to get approved when you request for a withdrawal on the platform. So make sure you use your real name, because I already have an account on the platform. I'm just going to walk you, just have to make a sign up here. So after that, you put your phone number here. This your phone number will be very important because it is used to authenticate you. Then your email address is, you're going to put your email address. Okay, so this is actually Logical Business email address. So I'm just putting it here at gmail.com. So the next thing is password. The password has to do with your, you put a password that will enable you to log in. Then you now put a transaction pin. Transaction pin is any phone number, any 4-digit number of your choice that will enable you to perform transaction whenever you want to vend product on the platform. Okay, because the platform is very secure in the sense that it comes with this whole security process that enables you to secure account on a very good ground, because every transaction you want to do on the platform, you must enter a transaction pin. So put that, and once you are done, you can click on login, okay, to log into an existing account. So I'm going to log into an account now to show you a few things you need to know on the platform. Okay, so when you have finished entering your username and password, you will now be welcome. You click on welcome, just click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, it will take you directly to your own personal VTU account. In this place, you can virtually do a lot on this very platform. So but we are looking at things that how to start everything step by step. So in this very video, we are just looking at how to make a registration and how to log in. So once you log in, the first environment that will present for you is a screen giving you a notification about the update on the platform. Okay, for instance, the update here is all about making payments to fund your wallet. So you can see the bank to pay and then the account to pay. So you just click OK. So once you click OK, you'll be presented with your own unique dashboard. So at the moment of recording this video, this is dashboard as it looks now, though we will be updating you on the ongoing processes. If there is a new development on the regards to the UI design of the application, will be notified right away. But right now, this is it. And then on this place, you can virtually do so many things in this place. Okay, but I'm gonna walk you a little bit on how everything works. The first thing you are going to see at the left topmost hand side is the support line, which is, you can see it's 081 36 37 446. This line you can contact anytime if you have any technical issue, and then our team will be able to resolve any of your problem. So then you can see Onyema here tray. The Onyema tray here simply means your username, and then the ID there, which is tray, is your referral link, the referral code. Okay, then you can see at the top left right hand side, you can say logout. Logout means to log out from your account. So, and then there's so many things we need to understand on the platform, but right now this video is all about how to register an account. So if you have been able to get value from this video, please like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel, because in the next video we are going to be evaluating the whole process, the whole interface when you have logged in into a user account. What are the things that you need to understand? How do you do this and how do you do that? So please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, so that whenever we update this video series, you'll be notified right away. I believe if you have been blessed in this video, I kindly comment on this video. I need more. Just comment I need more, then we're able to know that we are actually speaking to you directly and we are actually trying to help you scale up telecom business in Nigeria. Remember, this channel is all about telecom business, cryptocurrency trading, and then digital marketing skills, acquisitions, and general ICT. So that's what we do on the channel. And of course, I know that by the God's grace, at the end of the presentation of this very series on InstantVTU, you are going to actually learn a lot, and of course upgrade your VTU telecom business to another level. So please subscribe, share this video, and remember, we are on this series. The series will be dropping every 2 or 3 days, so don't miss out any series. And then gather your friends and well wishers to come and subscribe to the channel. And of course, we are giving free tutorials and free guide on how to start making money online. Then for you to get started, please register right away on InstantVTU, so that when we are releasing the next video, you can follow up. And then the series is already there. The playlist is going to be dropping on the link on the description of this video, so that you can go through all the whole video series on this platform. Thanks and God bless.